Nature speaks with conviction. It speaks loud with grandiose mountain views and the intense roars of felines. It speaks deeply like the mystery of the ocean and the rush of waterfalls. Nature speaks with love through the sweet songs of birds, the warmth of the sun, the generosity of the moon's glow. It showers us with rain and hope runs dry. God's voice is transmitted through the blaring sound of thunder and the overwhelming hum of vast winds. His beauty is seen in the falling and rising of his sun. Nature is a breath of fresh air, the kind that should be inhaled constantly, awing in the creativity of the clouds, an expansive canvas space God's allowed our eyes to make art on.